It's been a month and you already fell back into the old habits, seeking motivation by watching these videos instead of actually doing what you need to do. This isn't one of your feel-good motivational videos which you are so addicted to watching. It's a video created to show you the power of a simple daily trick which will break the pattern and change your entire life. But before we go over this trick, we need to make sure you understand why you right now cannot improve consistently. If you're anything like me, or the vast majority of the population, you have goals. You want to improve your life. But every time you try, you only last for a few days and then quit. But why is that the case? It's because you only work hard when you're highly motivated, and when you're not, you fall into this indecisive state where you know you should work but don't, because you are following an unconscious pattern ingrained deep within your brain. And this pattern usually consists of the bad habits, the ones you did when you were bored and at the time thought they wouldn't hurt you, but they did. They fully programmed your brain to seek these cheap dopamine activities the moment you aren't doing something, aka the moment you are bored for just a few seconds. And if you don't have anything planned for that exact part of your day, you're doomed. Because these seconds turn into minutes, and those minutes turn into hours of wasted time, of wasted potential. Okay, so you now understand that it is actually boredom which is ruining your life. So to make sure boredom doesn't get the best of you, we will use a simple mental trick. Boredom is an unconscious state which happens multiple times throughout the day. And there are two important times of the day which mark how the rest will go. In the morning, after waking up, and after work or school. So to make sure your day doesn't plummet, we will do a simple conscious activity in those two parts of the day to make sure we stay on track and consciously know what you need to do. And to do this, we will use a very simple action journal. But before you click off this video because journals are feminine and for girls, you need to understand that the sole purpose of this action journal is to present you your goals for the day and your tasks at the most important times of the day, the morning and after work. This will make sure you always know what to do and minimize the chance of you falling into this downward spiral. Now that I still have your attention, let's quickly go over the action journal. It's divided into 4 sections which are deeply connected to each other. The first one is the goals for that specific day. It can be anything: studying for 2 hours, reading for an hour, cleaning your room, going for a walk. These goals will be the priority of the day. The next section is your daily tasks, which will make sure you achieve these goals. For example, if your goal is to learn math, make 3 study blocks for, say, 30 minutes and then tick them as you go on to remotivate yourself and study harder. Then there's the nuance section called failure points. In this section, you'll list down everything that can go wrong with the day. In our example, it would be using your phone while studying, lying on the couch and watching just one YouTube video, or telling yourself that you can study tomorrow. These failure points make you more present and conscious of the possible tricks your mind can play on you to avoid working. And the last part of this action journal is your overall score for the day. When the night comes, you will simply objectively rate how your day went and analyze where you failed, what you did well, and where to improve. Here's your action journal laid down, but when exactly do you write down these goals, tasks, and failure points? The answer is in the morning. In the morning, you will take 5 minutes immediately after waking up to think about the day and fill out this journal. This will make sure you know your priorities and what you need to be careful about. Then, when you get home, you will go into your room and immediately look at your goals, tasks, and failure points, and then try your hardest to complete them. As soon as you complete one task, tick it with a red marker so you visually see your progress, which will further increase your momentum and drive to succeed. And then before going to bed, Assess your overall day and rate it out of 10. Hopefully, this video inspired you to start your own action journal. If it did, please comment down below your first goals for the day and tasks. Thank you for watching this video. We will see each other in the next one.